In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide, like, and share accounts on your Threads account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. As you can see, usually when someone likes any of your posts or shares it, you can see the like count and the share count here. However, for some reasons, you may want to hide this. The good thing is Threads has made it possible for you to do that. Now to do that, just go to your profile icon and then tap on it and go to these two lines on top here on your app, and you should see settings option here. Under this, look for content preferences and look for this option, hide, like, and share accounts. If you tap on it, you can see this option is disabled. That's why people can see the counts of likes and shares on your account. However, if you wish to hide them, then toggle it on like this, and by turning on this, now likes and shares will be hidden on your own posts from the menu for each post. So any publication that you make will be published with this feature not available. So that's how you can hide, like, and share accounts on your Threads posts. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.